Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. Dark mode is a great feature that can help reduce eye strain, especially when working at night or in low light conditions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial. In the address bar, type in chromewebstore.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store website, go to the search bar at the top left corner and type in Google Docs Dark Mode. You'll see several options appear. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on the first one that appears in the search results. Now, click on the Add to Chrome button next to the extension. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation, so go ahead and click Add Extension. Wait a few moments for the extension to be added to your browser. Once it's done, you should see a confirmation message. Next, open Google Docs. You can do this by typing docs.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're in Google Docs, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a moon icon. This icon is the switch for turning dark mode on and off. Click on the moon icon, and just like that, dark mode is enabled. You can click the moon icon again to switch back to light mode. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Docs. This will make working on your documents a lot easier on your eyes, especially during the night. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.